Alright, finally we are going to talk about advantages of computer vision automation tool. There are many advantages, but we are only going to focus on one today. You will see a demo, you will see computer vision automation tool in action, or CVAT in action. So about Selenium. Selenium been there forever, and it's an amazing framework for web automation. It's quite literally the best you are going to get today. So why invent something new? Why bring machine learning into this? Why computer vision? What's wrong with Selenium? That's what we are going to focus on in this video. So if you tell someone to go to Facebook login and enter their email address, they will come here and enter their email address in this text box, right? Now if you tell the same person to go to GitHub login page and enter their email address, they'll come here and enter the email address on this text box, right? Now if you try to tell the same thing to Selenium, obviously you're going to have to capture the element manually. You would probably use something visible, but my point is you would come here and capture the XPath or CSS selector, then you would build your test, then you can run it on Facebook. But if you run it on GitHub login page, the same test, it's going to fail, obviously, because the DOM is different. Now if you look at the DOM, you have a label, and right below that there's the input you are supposed to type your username on. So that's like the main issue with Selenium, and there is a DOM dependency to it. That's what we are going to tackle with CVAT. So let's go to the demo. So we have a test called reusability test. Then we have a driver. This is a web driver, Selenium. Then we have a method called login. Let's go into that. So this looks like a regular page object class, but the functionality is entirely different. We have a custom query language. This is like a combination of XPath and CSS selectors. If you are familiar with jQuery, you have seen this before. Contains. Then we have double forward slashes, just like in XPaths. So basically what we trying to tell here is, so what we are looking for here is a text box, and it should contain email address basically. And down here in the method we are calling send keys and entering the username and password. Then we have a sleep. Now I have created a test plan. I think these are called test plans. Let's get rid of GitHub URL and enter Facebook first. Alright, save that and we can run the test. Let's use Gradle. I think it's test. Let's see. Yeah, it started the test and it will capture a screenshot, get the information and type. Okay, cool. We have it has type all the values as expected. Now let's change the URL to GitHub login. Let's see if that's working. Save that and run it again. Now we are in GitHub login page and it's working. That's the beauty of it. CVAT is going to take the decisions for you, and it's smart enough to identify fields, and if they are nested, for example, if there is a form and it can identify the form header and then what's inside the form, things like that. It can go up to unlimited number of nested elements. Then there will be, right now there is no feature like that, but there will be icon identifications, and if you have general things like if you are looking for a search button, then they will be supported in the future. This is going to be amazing, but this is it for now, and I'll be working on the training part more after next month, I guess, because I'm right now stuck with degree stuff, the stupid certifications. But yeah, this is going to be amazing. probably I will make it open source. I have not planned that yet. Yeah, we'll see about that. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.